Folks, check this out. This is our smiling donkey. Now this one will actually give us a Hollywood smile. She's very polite. She won't do it while she's chewing, but check it out. Smiley, big smile. Oh, what a pretty girl. Come on, big smile. Smiley. Come on. Oh, bigger smile. Hollywood. Thank you. Now, folks, again, 1 or 2 pieces. You do not need a handful. The other thing is always keep them in front of you. If you go like this to get a picture with Smiley, this one's going to stick her head through and grab your clothes on the other side. I don't want anybody to get hurt today, so just 1 or 2 pieces, flat hand, and make sure that they're always in front of you, okay?
They just stole that spot.
Not a problem. That's a pretty girl. Come on, big smile. Hollywood. You get her? Smiley. Oh, what a good. Come on, one more big Hollywood smile. Thank you.
That was good.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good girl. Thank you, good girl.
They do like to smile.
Sure.
Oh my goodness, you feel so good. So just keep your hands together and it feels really good.
I'm like scared. It's gonna like bite me.
It will be fine. If you just keep your hands like this, it'll be fine. I fed a horse last weekend, and it worked out good. And the only way you can get courage is by doing it and trying, and then you'll feel better.
I'm scared it's gonna like bite my
And you
hand.
don't be like, oh, I wish I would have fed the donkey.
Oh
Just
my
try
God.
with one. You want to? You can do it. I know you're like great.
That one
Film
is
you,
like,
okay?
look at this, Emily, look at this. Ready? Watch. You watching me? They like lick it out of your hand. Like think of it as like Lily. Like Lily? Like Lily, exactly. Don't worry. Okay. Don't, Josh. Josh is gonna bite your. Josh, be careful.
It's not gonna bite.
No, it's gonna bite his clothes. Remember what he just said?
I think it's this one that's ornery.
Yeah. You want some food? He's like, I want some gloves, please. Yeah, there's deers.
We were able to figure it out. Yes, there is.
Oh, there's little fawns. Oh, they're so cute.
Female deer.
Oh, these are this.
So.
Hello. Hi. No, this I can feed them. This is just
Oh, wait, yeah, let's go get Hubbard.
Hey, I see Elsa. This one looks like Elsa. Elsa! It's blue. It's the blue. This could be a cute pet. Okay, I want to put my stuff down so I can take a picture. It's so cute. Can we go to the goat hen house? So this is the goat hen house. So you just gotta put, wait, actually I think that's enough. Then you crank it. And you bring it all the way up to this area. Then you're gonna feed it some more. You put a little bit in, just a tiny bit. And ow, pinch me again. You crank it until it gets up there. I want to go see the bunnies. Oh my gosh, those eyes are creepy.
I'll do this guy here. Don't get too close to them, I'm sure he's These guys get more love and attention than food than most ordinary goats. Which one?
Ostriches. Ostriches.
I'm going to ostrich. I'm going to
An ostrich.
Okay, ostrich. Oh, like, this reminds me of a meme.
Yes, ostrich bite.
These guys like the fat.
You will eat
Oh my god. This ostrich. Ostrich. This is a very nice ostrich. I feel like I shouldn't be wearing a hat whenever I feed him because I feel like he's going to take my hat.
Well,
Like he's just going to come up and...
well, you know what you could do. Turn around backwards. Here you go.
I look... Oh, ew. I look
Take a-
so cool.
Ew, taking a dump.
Blech. How do you tell if an ostrich is pregnant? They all look the same.
Don't know. I'm sure there's somebody who knows.
You're all out of this? Oh my gosh, already? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna feed the ostriches. Well, yeah, but I have a feeling it's gonna take my hat. What?
They're just goofy looking.
Well, I have a feeling they're gonna take my hat. Adam, be careful! Ayo. It's the animal for today. Bunnies. Hey, bud. Come and get some free pellets. Oh, yes!